In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a row sticky in Google Sheets. By doing this, the row that we selected to be sticky will remain fixed on the screen and in the display, regardless of wherever we scroll in the Google spreadsheet. So to do this, the first thing that you would like to do is to simply select the range of the rows that you would like to make sticky. So let's say for this video, we're going to fix row 1 up to row 10 and make this row sticky. So after selecting your range in the menu navigation, simply navigate to view, and in view, go to freeze, and in here, go to up to row 10 since we selected the range up to row 10. Simply click this, and now we have successfully made row 1 to row 10 sticky. As you can see, even though we go onto different parts of the spreadsheet and scroll down, even on the most bottom part, row 1 to row 10 remains sticky or in display in the whole page. And that's about it. That's how to make rows sticky in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.